Hey, what's up guys? It's Online Money 24/7 and today we're going to be talking about how to install the Facebook Pixel on Shopify the easy way. So we're going to be installing that Facebook Pixel over to Shopify, how to do it, what is a pixel, what does it do, how does it help your store. So without further ado guys, let's go ahead and jump into it. So the first thing I want to explain is what does a pixel actually do? You probably hear this bounce around all over YouTube, all over the place. What is a Facebook Pixel? What does it actually do for your Shopify store? So a Facebook Pixel, the pixel itself, tracks who went to your website and the actions that they take. That is effectively all that it does. It's a tracking code that is added to your website, your Shopify store, and it tracks whether someone is, clicking on view content, whether they clicked add to cart, initiate checkout. All of this data is then tracked by Facebook and logged onto your business.facebook.com profile, your account on there. It's all logged into your pixel data for your website. So it's really, really great because with this Facebook Pixel data, we can then use that to create custom audiences based on the data. So if you ever go on any website, I know Ty Lopez uses this all the time. If you go on his website and then you go back to Facebook, within like a couple days or something, you're going to get hit with a retargeting ad because he tracked, okay, you went to his website, you clicked on a few things, you viewed things. Now he takes that pixel data that he tracked you with, puts it into a custom audience. You're in that audience now, and then you're getting served ads on Facebook for that. So it's really useful for that, as well as just tracking and seeing what's going on your website and seeing what people are up to. If you're actually getting people adding your items to cart, it's very helpful information to see, okay, what am I doing? Is it working? Is the ad just, it hasn't converted yet, but you're at least getting some data to see people are going to your website, they're clicking on things, they're almost adding to cart, they just haven't purchased yet. So that means you're on the right track. So that's what's really good with the Facebook Pixel that it allows you to do. And also, like I said, helpful for retargeting. So without further ado guys, we're going to hop over to business.facebook.com and I'm going to show you how to install it and set it up on your Shopify store. Alright guys, so we are back on business.facebook.com. So the thing you're going to want to do is come up to the top left initially and come from, instead of this section over here, you're going to come all the way over to under Events Manager, Measure and Report. You're going to go ahead and click on Pixels, and then that will bring you over to this page here that we are on now. So this is the Facebook Pixels Manager. It is where you create pixels and track all the different pixels that you have set up. So all you have to do to create one is to come over to the top left and click on Add Data Source. And when you click on Add Data Source, it will then come up with Facebook Pixel. You click on Facebook Pixel, and bada boom, you are now creating a brand new pixel. So we're just going to call this test pixel because this is just a test and an example pixel for the video today. So we're just going to call that test pixel. I'm going to go ahead and create it there. And so now, as you can see, it is created. Now, to actually add this to our Shopify store, it's very simple. Facebook and Shopify have worked together to make it easier and easier over time for you guys to add this to your store. So instead of having to install like code and all that kind of stuff, which is kind of challenging and tricky to do, all that you have to do now is click on Use an Integration or Tag Manager. You click on that, then you click on Shopify. It will load here. And as you can see here, it gives you a little tutorial, but I'm going to actually show you guys how to do this as well. So all you have to do is come up to the top here, copy this ID, this pixel ID, go ahead, right-click, copy it. If you're on Mac, hit Apple C or, whatever you use to control copy-paste. Then you come up back onto your Shopify store, you come over to the online store section and under preferences, and then you're going to see right here, I already have the pixel installed on this website, but all you would have to do is, copy that code there. And then you just come over here under Facebook Pixel ID, you paste it in. Now, when you're installing your Pixel, don't expect it to update instantaneously. It will take about 20 minutes for the Pixel to optimize and sync up with Facebook to your Shopify store. So, like I said, it's not going to happen instantly to start tracking your data, but within about 20 minutes, that's what Facebook says. It could take up to 20 minutes for your Pixel status to change to start actually tracking the data that comes into your website. But once you guys have that pasted in onto your Shopify store, you are all set with your Facebook Pixel. Now, if you guys are interested in learning more about Shopify, I do actually have a Shopify Mastery course available down in the description box below if you want to go ahead and check that out. I also have a Shopify 14-day free trial. Both of those are linked down in the description box below, so go ahead, check those out. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, what the heck are you doing? Hit that dang subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well so you get notified for future videos, uploads, and all that good stuff. Leave a like, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, comments, concerns. But anyway, guys, that's all for today's video, so I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.